Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, and this is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. If you want to enable the mode, you can simply tap on this icon, tap on the check mark, and you will see the message Do Not Disturb mode enabled, and the icon will change the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And after you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face, and also on the watch face you will see the Do Not Disturb mode icon right here at the top, which also indicates that the mode is enabled. And to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel, tap on the icon again, you will see the message Do Not Disturb disabled, the icon will go back to the gray color, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which all indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode through the settings, so we can press the crown button to open the menu, scroll through it to look for the settings icon. Once we find it, we can tap on it. In settings, find the option called I believe it's gonna be in sound and vibration, so let's tap on sounds and vibration. Let's look for the Do Not Disturb mode, and it is here. So let's tap on Do Not Disturb. Come on, let's tap on Do Not Disturb. And here we can tap on the switch next to all day to turn it on, and tap on it again to turn it off. But we can also do one more thing. We can set up a schedule for a do not disturb mode. So basically it will turn on automatically and turn off automatically. And to do it, you can use the pre-existing one by enabling it. Or you can tap on Add Time, and here we can create our own. We can tap on Start to set the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode should be turning on, and we can set it by swiping up and down on the hours and minutes. Then the end time. And then if you tap on Repeat option, it allows you to select the days on which the schedule should be active. And we have Sunday, Monday, basically every day of the week, and you can select a couple of them or all of them if you like to. Then tap on OK. Then tap on OK to confirm, and now the schedule is enabled. It will be turning on at 10:30 p.m. and turning off at 6 a.m. Every Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. We can turn it on or off. We can tap on it to edit the schedule. We can also remove it by tapping on delete, like this. And once you're done setting up your schedules, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.